How's it everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm building a simple 3-tier kitchen cart. It's a simple design that anyone can build with basic tools. It's compact, functional, and perfect for small kitchens or extra storage. Let's go! First, I measured and cut all of my wood. I'll leave a full cut list and material list in the description so you can follow along if you want to build one yourself. Next, I use a router with a roundover bit to soften the edges of the tops. Once everything was cut, it was time to prep the wood. I sanded all the pieces using 120 grit sandpaper. This step helps smooth out the surface and removes any rough edges before finishing. You don't need to overdo it here, just enough to make everything clean and ready for stain. Next, I applied a natural oil-based stain. I like using natural tones because they highlight the wood grain and they give the cart a clean, sort of Scandinavian style. After wiping off the excess stain, I let everything dry before moving on to assembly. Now it's time to assemble the frame that will support the shelves. I built small support frames for each shelf to sit on. Then I attached them to the vertical 1x3 supports using 1 1/4 inch wood screws. To keep the shelves evenly spaced, I used one of the tops as a spacer. This makes the process simple and ensures each shelf lines up perfectly without having to measure each one individually. To make this kitchen cart mobile, I'm gonna attach 1.5 inch casters to the bottom of the cart. Once the frame was assembled, I applied wood glue and used clamps to secure the shelf tops in place. This helps create a strong bond and keeps everything tight and aligned. After the glue dried, everything felt really secure and solid. To protect the wood surface, I rolled on a clear top coat. This helps prevent scratches and makes the cart easier to clean. Plus, it brings out the grain of the wood even more. That's it, a simple functional kitchen cart with a clean, natural look. I love how this turned out. It's compact, easy to move around, and adds some extra storage where it's needed. I got all my Japanese snacks lined up in here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, mahalo and aloha.